Hi guys, in this video we will have a look over the task category and the actual financial task which we can configure in the system. So as you can see there are different types of categories like compliance, audit, assurance, litigation and so on. Under a particular category there could be multiple subcategories like we have under compliance we have these categories, and under GST we have GST return. Under GST, we have GSTR1, which is our actual task. Now, here are the configurations that we have already set based on the characteristics of GSTR1 task, which is a repetitive task. So, it could be repeated in a particular periodicity. So, when we talk about the periodicity of a task, it could be a yearly, monthly, quarterly, or half yearly repeating task. So, this one is monthly repeating task. That's why the sorry, here we can see the task creation dates, internal due dates, and due dates that we have set likewise. For instance, let's say for January month, the government has given us a due date of 11th February. Now, these dates we can configure in the system so that whenever we create a GSTR1 task for a particular client or for a particular month of January, those dates will be auto populated in the primary task page. So, this is the configuration over here, and we can even change the due dates or task creation dates whenever we feel like changing, or let's suppose government has changed the due dates for some reason, so we can come over here and just edit the dates like that. So these were the functionality of this particular page. Now let's see how we can create a new task category and a task under that for a practical understanding. So for that we just need to click over here, add, and we have to add the root category name. So for now, I'm just gonna use some random name. Let's say test category, and I will just confirm and click on confirm. So as we can see here, the test category has been created. So I will come over here and add a task. Now, let's say we are creating a task which has a yearly periodicity like income tax return. Okay, so I have typed the name of the task. Now, here we have some features like is repeating and can be duplicated. So for now, I don't want my task to be duplicated. So I'm not just going to select that option. And here I will enter the due date for the month. Now, here we have a effective from year. So we have to enter that year we want this task to be effective from. So let's say 2021 until 2025. So for 2021 year, I want my due date to be 10th of April 2021, 2021, okay, 22 actually. Hmm. So the task should be created by 5th of, and the internal due date should be that means this task should be completed prior 2 days. So let's say 8th of April 2022. Now we will just generate the periodicity. So as we have just only configured the details for to 2021 year, we will get the system generated periods till 2025, as we can see. Okay, so by just clicking add task, we have here the options of selecting the default assignees and reviewers, which is completely optional. So I'm not gonna use this option right now. So I'm just gonna confirm, or let's say we use it and assign it to me. Mm, okay, so I have currently used this option for just to know how it will affect the system. Now I'm just clicking on submit, and we have added a new task successfully. So under tasks category, we have income, actually income tax return. It's income tax return, but I have just by mistakenly typed as income return. So sorry for my mistake. Now let's verify it over here by adding a task. Now let's say we will select a client, we will select the task. So when I'm selecting the task, the default assignee and reviewer are has been auto populated, and I'm just going to select the year, let's say 2023. And so here, as we can see, the internal due date is also been auto populated, and by just clicking add, we are just going to add the task. Now we don't have to do that. I'm just showing you for the verification that we have done it correctly. So now every 10th of actually 5th of April that we have set as a task creation date, our task will be automatically generated and will come under the primary task list page. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you.